Hey guys, how's it going? Another episode of Sam and Addie.
I like it.
Tonight we're going to talk about something really, really fun. It's called Rakuten, and we love Rakuten. We wanted to just dive into what it is and how you can make money with it and why it's not a scam. It's a really legit company.
So we started using Rakuten pretty heavily when we were buying all of our rental properties.
Mm-hmm.
So we have all these houses that need to be fixed up, and we need tons, thousands, tens of thousands of dollars worth of materials. And Lowe's, Home Depot, even Walmart, what other stores have we used pretty heavily? Amazon, they had Rakuten at one point in time. Any store that sells anything that goes inside of a home, which is most stores, we were buying from, and we were getting cash back from Rakuten just for shopping.
Right.
So I would spend $1,000 at Lowe's, and there was a point in time when Rakuten had a 25% back at Lowe's. I don't know if it was a fluke that one time, because normally it's 4 to 8%, sometimes 2%. It just depends on the day. But one night it was 25% off. I think you were sleeping, and I just went haywire. I think I spent like 10 grand in flooring, in paint, drywall, appliances, everything you can think of. And in one night, I think I got $1,000 cash back just for spending money that I was gonna spend already.
So let's pause right there. So how does Rakuten work? How are you making money?
So Rakuten is a company that adds a little plugin on your browser. You can also install the app on your phone, iPhone, Android. So when Rakuten installs a plugin on your browser, when you go to a website like Lowe's.com, Rakuten plugin will prompt you, do you want to use the cash back? All you have to do is click the Rakuten
There's
icon.
a little button that says activate.
Yes. You activate that, and then for all intensive purposes, it feels just like you're not using it. So you're browsing the Lowe's website, you're adding flooring, refrigerators, roofing, drywall, all of that stuff. And then at the end, after you check out, you don't have to do anything special. After you check out and you get the email from Lowe's saying your confirmation, all that, you'll also get another email from Rakuten saying you have cash back pending. So let's say it's 10%, you spend $1,000, then Rakuten will send you an email saying that you have $100 pending to your account. And you just set up your bank account, you set up your personal information like name, address, and all of that. And then they will send you a check in the mail, or they might do a direct deposit. I've always done the check in the mail. I've always felt most comfortable for that.
That's a good question.
But either way, it's legit, and they will send you a big fat check. And we'll show you proof on our computers so you can actually see it in real time.
Yeah, it's so crazy, you guys, because like Sam said earlier, the best thing about it is you're not out any money.
No.
You're literally doing shopping that you would have been doing anyways, but you just make sure that Rakuten is activated when you're doing your shopping, and there's nothing else you have to do. They're just sending you cash back for doing your normal purchases. So
another thing that a lot of people would ask us is, like, how does Rakuten make money? How is this a real business model where they just pay you money to shop? How does that work?
It seems too good to be true, and that's always the feedback we get from people, like, no, this must be a scam.
A lot of people, that's like, first thing they think is, no, I'm not going to even try it because I think it's a scam.
Yeah.
So Rakuten, it's free to try, by the way.
Yep.
So there's no risk in trying Rakuten, absolutely zero risk. And I just don't understand why people aren't using it.
No, I think a lot of people don't realize that it's legit as it is.
Yeah.
Because it's literally zero work.
So Rakuten, for the most part, makes commission very simply. They partner with stores. I'm going back to the Lowe's example. They partner with Lowe's and they say, okay, we're going to offer our customers a 10% cash back, but we're going to charge you guys 11%. We're going to keep the 1%, and then we're going to give the 10% kickback to our customers. You have to realize that Rakuten is working on a massive scale. They probably have tiny profit margins because I bet the 1% is probably even blown up. I bet they take 0.25%. It's something really, really small. But when people are spending hundreds of thousands or tens of millions or even hundreds of millions of dollars a day, that adds up very quickly, even if it's just a small percentage.
And they're a worldwide company.
Yeah, they are.
They're based in Japan, actually. And so when you get the entire world using this platform, it grows super fast.
Yeah. And we'll also show you here in a minute how many stores are using Rakuten. I mean, you'll be blown away at the amount of stores they have on their site. I mean, we're talking Nike, Adidas, Macy's, Victoria's Secret. What are some?
Lululemon, Gap, Old Navy, Kate Spade. It also has some restaurants on there. I mean, huge selection. All right, guys, one of the best things about Rakuten is its referral program. So lots of companies have referral programs where if you sign up your friends or family members, then you get some reward back. And with Rakuten, if you sign people up, you get 25 bucks. That is so good. A lot of companies offer referral programs that kind of suck, but Rakuten honestly is one of the best ones we've ever worked with. So the person who refers their friends gets 25 bucks, and then the people who sign up through their link get a free 10 bucks. So it's a win-win for everybody, and again, it's just an easy way to make a free 10 bucks for doing shopping that you're already doing. So if you want free 10 bucks for trying this, our link is right below this video. You can sign up right there, and you'll get 10 bucks, and then if you refer your own friends after you've signed up yourself, then you'll get 25 bucks for every single time you refer a friend. They have no cap. That's another thing that's really good about Rakuten. A lot of companies cap you at like 5 referrals. There's literally no cap on this, and so you can just keep raking in money as long as you're referring people.
Yeah. So the $10 that you'll get just for signing up with the link below, that's pretty much 50% off your next order of $25.
Yeah.
If you spend 25 bucks at one of your favorite stores, you'll get $10 back. So your order will only have costed you 15 bucks. That ain't bad.
Not at all.
So let me show you guys how to navigate the website and how to use the plugin when you go to one of your favorite retailers and how it all works.
Awesome.
Okay guys, so you can see right here, we have stores like Gap, 8% cash back. We have Levi's, 10% cash back, Old Navy, 4% cash back. What are some other cool stores? So you can hit see all stores. So Michael's, Adidas, Dick's Sporting Goods, Finish Line, get some new shoes for back to school, Oakley sunglasses, Foot Locker. Okay, so let's try one of these. So say I want to shop at Gap at 8% cash back. The other cool thing is they show you all the coupons that the retailer is running. So Gap right now is running a site-wide sale of friends and family get 40% off everything, plus up to 75% off sell items. Use the promo code friends and family so you can click to copy. It's copied to clipboard. So now I'm going to go to Gap to activate my 8% cashback shopping. So the website is loading. Okay, once it's loaded, you'll see in the top right corner, the Rakuten turns blue. Before it's kind of like a, what color is this? Like a
purple indigo.
Purple indigo,
pink.
kind of pinkish color. When it's activated, it's blue, and you can verify that it's activated. If you click on it, it says 8% cashback now active. So this is just running kind of in the background of your browser, and then you can use all of these promo codes like code friends, code family, and if you have the card, you could use code 20. So that's like getting 40 plus 20 plus 10, so that's 70% plus 8, 78% off your order just for using the promo codes and the cash back from Rakuten. So you do your regular shopping, you add all your stuff to your cart, you check out, and then you should get a confirmation after your purchase from Rakuten, just like you would get a confirmation from Gap after your purchase that you have cash back spending from Rakuten. So if you spend $100, they would say you have $8 pending to your account. So another way that the plugin works for your browser, let's say you want to shop at Old Navy. You go to oldnavy.com and you can see it's kind of red, blinking in the top. It says activate 4% cash back. All you have to do is click activate, give it a few seconds to load. Once it's loaded, now you're good to go. You don't have to do anything more. You can put in your coupon code for Old Navy, do your shopping, check out, pay. After you're done, you'll get an email with your 4% cash back, however much you spend, and it'll go right to your Rakuten account. So you can see Addison has done really well. She's at $3,242. A lot of that's from referrals. I'd probably say about 50% from referrals and about 50% from your spending.
Mm-hmm. So another cool thing is you can actually get cash back in store as well. So for this one, you use the app. You'll download the app to your iPhone or Android phone, and it'll tell you the terms and which stores are participating. But in this case, yeah, it's 8% online for Gap, but if you go in store, you get 12% back. So look at that as well. You can scroll through the website and read how that also works. It's not applicable to every single store, but if you're shopping at a store and it is an option, then obviously go for it.
Before we do any of our shopping, online or in store, we always turn to each other. We're just in this habit, and we just ask, what's the Rakuten cashback? Are there any coupon codes on Rakuten? Rakuten is our go-to website to get all of the deals, the cashback, coupon codes, everything in the know for deals. We go straight to Rakuten.
Absolutely.
So guys, the link is below. Check out the link. You'll get that cashback kickback after you spend at least $25 using the Rakuten running in the background. and it'll go right to your Rakuten account, and they'll send you a big fat check. They actually literally call it a big fat check.
They do. It's really fun.
It's really fun.
They send it about every 3 months, so you get it quarterly. So your cash back will build up, and then after 3 months, you'll get a pretty big check if you're doing a lot of shopping online.
Yeah. So check out the link below and comment the best cashback that you've seen. The best for me was Lowe's had a 25% off.
So crazy.
I think it was a fluke. It was one night because by midnight it was done. It was gone. But I spent, I think, $10,000. It was something like that.
So
Appliances, flooring. I just cleaned house. I bought everything I could that I could think of for all of our rental and investment properties and just spent tons of money, but it was $1,000+ cash back in one day just for spending money that I was going to spend anyways.
Yeah.
So check out the link below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.
See you guys. Bye.